So when we develop products in the kitchen, we need to replicate the large-scale facility as closely as possible. So making sure that all our processing and addition of raw materials is exactly the same as what we do in the factory. Yeah, so from the beginning of development, we're always thinking about the big picture to make sure it's commercially feasible to produce this product in the factory. At the beginning, we obviously use a lot smaller volumes, but we're always thinking about that big volume at the end. Yeah, so we absolutely have to be precise in all stages of development, just writing down everything, any changes we've made, materials we've used, kind of batches we've used, all that sorts of things, so we can go back and replicate what we've done, or say if another designer wants to pick up your work. So we're always developing samples. You'll do some iterations, maybe go make another sample until you're happy with it, and then it will go to the pilot stage. From the beginning, we kind of have to know what packaging we're going to be using, but then once the product is going to factory trial, we'll then produce a label, and that will be done with marketing. Testing for us usually happens internally. We kind of do our own testing. With regards to sensory analysis, we'll kind of get a group of people together. A product that's gone out to a customer, they will do their own kind of sensory evaluation on it and then come back to us with feedback on how they might want the product to be changed. Testing we do in the labs completely depends on the product type. If it's a product that's more of a cake mix, we'll have to do an application test to make sure the cake turns out how we want it to, that it rises, that all the ingredients basically are working as they should. Every scientific test we do is recorded, written down, to go back and compare the results of those previous tests in the kitchen or at pilot stage, just to ensure the product is basically where we need it to be. Yeah, my favourite part about my job, I think, is just getting to taste loads of different products and knowing that you have been a part of the testing of a product from the very beginning that launches and does really well. It's just really rewarding. That's what I like about my job.